Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I know I've just kind of took a shower, but today I'm going to be showing you guys, because it's just open, I'm going to show you guys what fidgets I got from the dollar store with my cousins and my aunt. So, yeah. Alright, I'm going to get them. I just got my whole bag. I got them yesterday, so some of them are opened, but dirty. I'm going to actually do a video really soon of cleaning this, but I got this. It's a swivel. I don't really splat it, I just like throw it. And if I'm like hot, I just get this and it's really cold water inside, so I like that, but yeah. I didn't open these yet, but I got, this is the last thing. I got mochis. And I think I got a little duck. I don't know. Like I got a bunny and a white unicorn, I think. Or a white cat. Unicorn, I think. I don't know, but yeah. If you can see what they are, comment down below. Oh, you can't comment, sorry. Whatever. Yeah. So that is what I got. And part 2 of my part 2 surprise videos tomorrow. And part 3 is pretty soon. I don't know if I'm going to do part 3 the day it comes. Or whatever. Never mind. But yeah. So guys, July 4th is on a Sunday. So July 5th, we're probably gonna do fireworks and go to the parade or whatever you want to do. And July 5th is supposed to be part 3. So look what I did. Yeah. And I just brought all my puppets to their house. So yeah. Bye.